Alright everybody, we didn't know if the blizzard video was going to be worthy or not today, but today. It's kind of got us there, hasn't it?
It does. I was having glove problems.
We typically only do one blizzard video a year, but it's April 14th?
And there shouldn't be a blizzard.
There shouldn't be a blizzard.
It's an exceptional year. We're sad we're not playing music today with Jordan.
Yeah, J. Jeff from Estoril was supposed to be with us in Yankton today, but this kept it all from happening. But so this is kind of an unrehearsed little blizzard video, so we're just going to do one of a song from the earlier days. You want to do Shoot Me?
I do.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. Shadow out there. Was it dirt on snow? Footprints, roots, and four-wheel drive, marking where they go. Hearing my first sound.
That's the Millers.
They're lined out, let's fire one up and knock one down. But don't aim behind or too far past me. Keep me in your sight. Finger on the trigger and your safety up. Take me tonight. Don't aim behind or too far past me. Keep me in your sight. Finger on the trigger and your safety up. And shoot me and take me tonight. And what you think it'll look like tomorrow after we awake? Northward, I hear something's coming. It's a bad one, so they say. But don't aim behind or too far past me. Keep me in your sight. Finger on the trigger and your safety up. Shoot me and take me tonight. Shoot me and take me tonight. Alright, we really hope that's the last blizzard video of the year, right?
Peace out, Blizzard.